Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. In tonight's video, we are doing a clean kitchen at night, and I am collabing with Jennifer from Cook, Clean, and Repeat, and also with Mandy from Mandy in the Making. And they are creating a playlist of a bunch of videos of similar content. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, come along with me. So this is just a before, so you can see what my kitchen looked like on this particular evening. This was after the kids had dessert and after I put the boys down for bed. Typically, I will do dishes right after dinner, but on this night I did not. So I'm just starting by cleaning up, putting things away, and clearing off the crumbs from the table. And then from here I'm just moving on to the dishes. I like to run my dishwasher every night and then empty it first thing in the morning. And there were a few dishes in the sink that I just wanted to hand wash. So I got these little silicone sponges at Walmart, and I love them because unlike the traditional sponges, they don't get all stinky and harbor that bacteria. And then you'll see once I'm done here, I toss the sponges that I have all into the dishwasher so they can get clean and sanitized. And I just toss those into the dishwasher every now and again. It's not something I do every night. Next, moving on, I just like to clean out my sink, and I'm using this little scrubber thing that I got at Walmart also, and in it holds water and dish soap, so you can just squeeze that out. And the little tray there wasn't too dirty, so I just rinsed it off and then let it dry. For my countertops and my table, when I go to clean them off this evening, I'm using a little spray bottle filled with water and Mrs. Meyer's concentrated multi-purpose cleaner. So it's not sanitizing or disinfecting or anything like that, but it's just cleaning up the area, and it smells really good too. I believe I am using the lavender scent. And I love getting the bottles of the concentrate. I get those at Target just because they last a lot longer. Watching this back, I see my dogs right behind me every step of the way, trying to get every little nook and cranny she can find. So again, just using the Mrs. Meyer spray to clean off the granite countertops. There are several different products that I use to clean my granite, and I was thinking about doing a video on that, so thumbs up if you're interested in seeing something like that. That night we had tacos, so that's all the grease left over from the ground beef. I'm just taking that with a paper towel and scraping that into the trash. I do not like putting that down the drain because, as you can see, it hardens up and it would just cause problems. So I put that in the sink to soak, and while that's soaking, I'm just finishing up the stove and the countertops, and I also wipe down the fridge as well. Now the rag I was using had a little bit of oil on it, so it wasn't cleaning the fridge real well, so I went back and decided to use my Norwex cloth. All you need with this is just water, and it shines up the stainless steel pretty good. And then this section over here is just a little coffee bar area, so I'm just giving that a good wipe down also. Moving on, I'm just using my little Bissell sweeper to sweep up any of the crumbs. Ever since getting these new hardwood floors, I love this thing, especially if the kids have a little accident and spill like chip crumbs or crackers. This is so much easier than getting the vacuum cleaner out. This is a lot quicker.
This one for the one who live for hope, changing better days. Pick your head up, keep on fighting, living, loving. Make your mind up. If you want it, take it, fly.
And now just moving on to mopping. I love using this Rubbermaid spray mop. It's so convenient, makes it really quick also. And I just wanted to say, if you've made it this far into the video and you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you like this video and you'll check out my other content, and if you do, subscribe for more videos like this. This particular night it was starting to storm, so it was sprinkling, thundering, and lightning outside, and if you stay tuned to the end, you'll see a little clip of that. And lastly, I'm just cleaning out this pan. Sometimes I will leave the pan soak overnight, but I just figured I'd go ahead and wash it. I know I just washed out the sink already, but that's alright. And here is the completed clean kitchen at night. It feels so good to have a clean kitchen, waking up in the morning, not having to worry about doing anything other than emptying the dishwasher. A big thank you to Mandy and Jennifer for this open collab, and don't forget to go to that playlist and check out all the other videos with similar content. Alright guys, that is it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And hopefully you'll check out my other content on my page and subscribe and stick around for more. See you in the next one. Bye guys.
I want to say hi guys.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hi guys, I'm the same video and they're not playing games because this mom said they have to turn it off.
Yeah, what time is it?
I don't know.
It's bedtime.
No, the clock.
Yeah. So it is 7:30. It's bedtime. Hurry up, finish your little dessert, okay, Munchkin?
Oh my gosh. Very good. That's a lot of rain. They make it like huge.
Yeah, let's see.
A lot of rain.
Hear the thunder?
Yeah. I hear like. Let's go inside.
Okay, go inside.
Okay.